Good afternoon, people. I am back with another video. Miracle! One thing that I've realized in the past 1.5 years of riding that I have done is that more important than your jacket, equally as important as your helmet, are your boots. Because if you don't have a jacket for once, it is fine. Because your body has the tendency to roll over when you crash. If you're riding, your legs are like this. Say if the bike fell on you, the bike's entire weight is on you, and your leg gets stuck somewhere, and the bike is still in motion. While you're falling, like the momentum is going on, what will happen to your leg that is stuck? It will literally get twisted and broken off. You will have shattered bones in your ankles. So we do not want that. I'm just saying that it is more risky to not have boots than it is to not have a jacket. They are fly racing Maveriks. I am sorry that they are a bit dirty, but that is how my boots are always. And I don't like cleaning them up because it's like, I'm an off-roader, dude. I keep my boots dirty. I keep half my stuff dirty. So these are fly racing Maverik boots. As you can see, it's written right here, Maverik. Main reason that I went with these is because in the off-road element, they are the best for the buck. They are the cheapest, they are the best value for money, they are the most rugged in that price range. So I got these for 15,500 last year. I have done a lot of touring, I have walked in these, I have put these in water. So why I went with these, it is the best value for money. A lot of people in rallies, they use these. They have like this, so you can't move this. There is physically no way to move this. It's got a hard sole, like all riding shoes are supposed to have. The only thing that moves is this. Like there is minimal movement, like only itna movement you can get in these. I will wear them and show you in another video. This section right here moves. This is still, this is still. The thing with these boots is in the first 20-25 days you will not be able to feel a thing. But the main thing is to use them more. The more you use them, the more that they will, get adjusted. You get 3 buckles and you basically wear them like one buckle, and then there is the second buckle here, and there's the third buckle, and then you just lock them in and you're good. You can adjust these buckles from here. यहाँ पे adjustment दिया हुआ है. You can like adjust if you want it tighter, if you want it looser, according to your leg structure. And it is I cannot stress this enough. This is the best investment that you need to get if you're riding constantly and you're riding off-road, you're riding anywhere. Boots are a must. Please get them. So thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one. If you have any sort of questions, any sort of comments, please comment down below. I will try to help you best to my capacity. So thanks a lot for watching. Ride hard, ride safe. I'll see you in the next one.